While the second quarter of 2016 was much quieter than the first for the Fortress funds, they all posted positive returns. That's according to the Fortress Fund Manager's June 2016 report. Brian Broom has more.
The report says that these are unusual times in the investment world, with instability in Europe, zero or negative interest rates in many countries, and credit stress among Caribbean governments. The fund managers say that through all of this, they have continued to approach investing in a disciplined way, allocating investors' capital as good value opportunities arise, and just as importantly paying close attention to the risks that may be unrecognized under the surface. Highlighting the Caribbean Growth Fund, Fortress says it gained 0.3% during the second quarter of 2016 and is down 1.5% over the past year. The net asset value finished June 30th at $4.92, and the net assets of the fund were $375 million. Fortress also notes that one immediate effect of the uncertainty from the Brexit vote is lower interest rates globally, including in the US. It says on balance, this is supportive for international stocks and currencies. Fortress adds that they continue to find excellent value in select markets outside the United States, but they find the U.S. equities fully valued and therefore vulnerable. Ryan Broom for the Business Report.
The Barbados Light and Power Company is pressing ahead with its plans to establish a 10-megawatt wind energy farm at Lamberts in St. Lucie. This is according to Managing Director of the company, Roger Blackman. He says the company went through an extensive period of environmental impact assessment over a number of years, adding that they've also received the necessary town planning approval. Mr. Blackman says the only remaining matter relates to the land.
There's a project at Lamberts that we are still working on, so we did quite a lot of work. Wind is a challenging project, not just here in Barbados, but everywhere in the world you go. Wind projects tend to be challenging because of the issues of setbacks from homes and so on, the environmental impacts. Our environmental impact assessment took us about 6 years to complete, so that just gives an indication of the challenges there. Having completed it, we have been working with the landowner to get access, and those discussions are going quite well, and we're optimistic. And we think we should be able to see a project at that site in Lamberts by around 2018 is what we've been saying. So we're optimistic, and we continue to apply resources and work hard to see that project materialize.
Here's a look now at how the stocks traded locally and regionally today.